Everyone, my name is Gina, and I would like to officially welcome you to Seasoned Beauties. If this is your first time visiting with us on today, thank you so much for choosing to stop by. If you are returning, your girl really does appreciate it. Thank you so very much. Now, either way, if you are currently not subscribed to the Seasoned Beauties family, go ahead and hit that subscribe button below. Become a part of the family. We'd be more than happy to have you, and there's more than enough room on this family tree just for you. Now, our video on today, we are going to be opening the May Curlbox. We're going to check out the contents and see what's inside. Now, I will tell you, for those of you who are not familiar with Curlbox, it is $25 per month, and that does include your shipping. And with that, you get a plethora, how about that, of products from a particular line, all designed for natural and or curly hair. Now, I'm having a little bit of a moment because I actually found out something just yesterday, as a matter of fact, and I know they know their business, but I'm going to kind of reach out to them because I'd like to make a suggestion. Now, I found out there was actually another box. I would have loved to have been given the option to choose that box over the standard subscription box, being that I am a subscription holder. So, but we'll see, what happens with that. And if anything comes from it, I will definitely reach out to you and let you know what it was really all about. Now, we're going to go ahead and open it up and see what the contents are. And as always, we open it up and it is full of good information, like this particular month it says Curlbox Come Clean, and this is a beautiful chocolate woman on the cover, and on the inside it says, letter from the editor, come clean, wash it away, condition your mind, and let it shine. This month, we're helping you and your strands come clean. Could your shampooing practices use a boost? Are you properly ridding buildup, both emotional and product-wise? Dig into your box of originals by Africa's Best Coconut Cream Collection and mind these helpful notes. So let's see what that collection is all about. And of course you do get your Curlbox card. Hey, curl friend. So they want you to let them know what your thoughts were. We got a little something else in here, so we're going to talk about that in a moment. So when I open up the box, of course, as I stated to you previously, full size products. Okay. Now, the first one is Originals Coconut Cream Sulfate Free Moisturizing Shampoo. And this is sulfate free, 100% pure coconut milk and aloe. Thoroughly yet gently cleanses your hair and scalp. And this is a 12 fluid ounce size. Okay? You know I'm going to do it. Oh my God. And I can smell it through the top. But it is sealed, which I am glad about, because there have been times when a little bit of product, not enough to make a big deal out of, but a little bit of product, has seeped out. So that's number one. Then we have the Coconut Cream Restorative Conditioner. And this too is 100% pure coconut milk, but it also has avocado, grapeseed, and flaxseed oils. Restores vibrancy to dry, brittle hair and helps repair damage and breakage. Nice size tub. This isn't even a jar, this is a tub. And this is a 15-ounce size. Okay. Let's see if we can find out what the consistency. Oh yeah. This was rather creamy. It was not very stiff, which is a good thing. That means it absorbs well into your hair without as much effort. So it says your hair salvation from damage, breakage, shedding, over processing from color or chemical straighteners, unhealthy ends, and chronic dryness is here. All right, so we got some help for all of those things, and that means this is fantastic for those who are transitioning from chemically treated hair. Okay, and then we're going to move right along to the next product, which is the leave-in conditioner. Okay, and this one says 100% coconut milk, avocado, grapeseed, and argan oil. Instant moisture recovery treatment for dry, brittle hair. And it says your hair will fall in love with this hydration sensation. Alrighty then. This leave-in moisture balancing blend helps prep hair for the next step in your styling regimen. Okay, and this one too is a full-size product, and it is 8 fluid ounces. And the last product that we have is the Coconut Shine Regenerative Dry Oil. Okay, 100% pure coconut oil, vitamin E, and jojoba oil. Lightweight thermal protection and flawless shine. And this is indeed a full-size product as well. 6 fluid ounces. Now I'm going to go online and I'm going to find out what the manufacturer suggested retail price is for these products, and we will compare it to the price that we pay for our Curlbox subscription. Now, I did tell you that there was a little something else that came in this. Well, it's a shower cap. Look at that. And it has the originals all over it, so you don't necessarily have to continue with the plastic caps that we get, you know, from the beauty supply store, and we cover our hair, I'm sorry, with it. Okay, now this one has coconuts on there, avocados on there. This is actually very nice. It's satin on the top, and the inside, of course, is the material like your shower curtain. Okay, so this is a nice little bonus. Now, in addition to that, inside of the package that the shower cap came in are the directions and steps 1 through 4 on how to use these products. And step 1 is the cleanse. Good for you coconut milk, shea butter, aloe, and olive oil. It gives us a pro tip. And the pro tip for number 1 is if your hair feels dry, brittle, or gets overly frizzy, extend the time period between washes. That's a nice tip. Okay. Step 2 is condition. Step 3 is the moisturize, and another pro tip that's there says apply our LIC leave-in conditioner while your hair is wet to seal in moisture and reduce the occurrence of shrinkage and flyaways. Then it says step 4 is to protect. Protect it from the outside elements that threatens your hair's health. Did you know coconut milk contains all of the essential nutrients required for healthy hair? It restores dry, damaged, and brittle strands and split ends. It rejuvenates hair follicles and promotes hair growth and adds volume and thickness to your hair. Good to know. So, I will definitely put down below what the manufacturer suggested retail prices are for these products. Put a total up against what we pay for a Curlbox subscription. Now, let me just say this to you. When I go online and pull the prices, I am not pulling the highest price, nor am I pulling the lowest price. I pull the median one. So the price may be different at Target versus Sally's, or at a higher end beauty supply store. So I go and I take the one that's right in the middle. So I think that's kind of a fair comparison. So just so that you know. So this is the contents of our May Curlbox. Everything you need to get your wash and go to cleanse, restore, and deep condition your hair is included in this month's box. Now, I do hope that you have enjoyed this video. If you did, go ahead and hit the like button. Share it with someone you know. Consider Curlbox for yourself. But most of all, don't forget to subscribe. Now, remember, regardless of the season that you are in, you will always be a seasoned beauty. Until next time.